Hello everyone, welcome to Spanish by David. My name is David and I'm here to help you in your Spanish learning process. Here you can find some tools, some expressions, some heads up on things you might find useful, helpful whenever you speak Spanish. As you can see, the title of this video is the sound of the vowels in Spanish. But first I want to give you a little something. And that something is the answer to this question. How do you say Spanish in Spanish? And the answer is español. Again, español. Now, if you look at the word español, you'll notice this funny little letter, the letter ñ, which might look a little weird, a little strange, but it isn't. It is actually very popular in Spanish. You can find it in many words, in many expressions, in everyday situations. Let's say you want to say someone, see you tomorrow. Well, the expression you need is hasta mañana, and then you will find, again, the letter ñ. Here's a tip on how to remember this letter. Think about filet mignon, okay? The filet mignon has this particular sound when you put together a G and an N. And that's pretty much how this letter ñ sounds when you put together the G and an N in mignon. So let's say you are reading this word mañana in Spanish. Well, you can think about ñ as a G and an N together. So that's something you could think about when you see this letter, this tricky little letter called letter ñ. All right. So moving on with the sound of the vowels in Spanish. In Spanish we have the same 5 vowels you have in English: A, E, I, O, U. But the good thing about the vowels in Spanish is that they never change their sound. They will always sound the same, and that's good. It doesn't matter if they are next to a vowel, next to a consonant, next to anything, okay? They will always sound the same. So if you learn the sound, you're done. That's it, okay? That's all you have to remember about the vowels in Spanish. Let's start with the vowel A. It sounds like A. A. Now the letter E. 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 Now the letter I. E. E. Now let's go with the letter O. 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 Now the letter U. 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 A, E, I, O, U. Again, A, E, I, O, U. You can practice, and when you get it, you're there. This is the sound of the vowels, and again, they will never change. It will always sound the same. They will always sound the same. If you get it, that's it. That's how the vowels sound. Okay? So I'm sure if you practice, you will get it very, very soon. It's not tricky, but you have to practice, all right? So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, you can check on the other videos we have, and you can give us a like if you like, and you can subscribe to our channel. This is Spanish by David. I am David, and I just have to say muchas gracias por vernos. Thank you very much for watching, and nos vemos la próxima vez. Until the next time. That's